hello. Yeah, you're welcome as well. You're welcome, dickhead. Alexi, shake special.
Special.
Baby girl, shake special.
Special!
Is he just stopped in the middle of the road on his phone?
Yeah. Or at least he stopped.
Wow! Just in case you missed his number plate. Chicky, 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 chicky. Why? 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 Some weirdos about today. What is it with everyone on their phones today? Is it like National Use Your Phone While F***ing Driving Day or something? That's what it seems like. Everyone's on their phone, including her. Let's just be fair now. Let's be honest, yeah? This is honest Benji, this is. If you use your phone while driving, you're either pretty stupid, you're like properly monumentally stupid because of the massive fine you get, or you're just a fucking idiot. That's the only two things I can think of. You're either stupid and you really don't care if you get a fine, in which case, what are you doing on this earth, man? Is there something wrong with you? Or you're just an idiot, in which case, what are you doing on this earth? There's something wrong with you. Shit, I haven't done a rant cam for quite a while, have I? I told you, it's just one of them days where everyone is just being knobheads. I mean, like, I don't understand. I don't understand. It's weird. You would think with the fines and the points you get, people would be like discouraged from using their phone, but it just don't work, does it? You need to ban them. Ban them from driving. That'd do. That might make people think twice then. Well, I don't know, maybe. No, you're special. You're special. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I told you, people today are fucking idiots. Oh, that poor policeman got a broken light. Oh, how sad.
I didn't have the chance to pack it. I was going to pack it this
Wow. Wow.
He was like hanging out of his window, but he just better off like going on the bottom of the road.
You don't reverse onto a main road from a side road. You don't do it in a car, you don't do it in a train, you definitely don't do it in a trailer. You can't see what's there at all. So, yeah, extra stupid. What is that car doing?
What car?
That stupid little white thing behind. It was behind that car that was behind me, and then it overtook that car that was behind me.
You're joking.
In front of the ambulance. Oh, gasp! Oh, what a clown! You gotta be. There's something wrong with you to do that. That ain't normal. Yeah, Nino, Amazing Mill, and then special. Yeah. Yeah, no rush, man. No rush. Where's he gone? Is he still there?
Yeah.
What is he doing?
There you go.
I mean, what are you doing? Move! 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 Oh. Which one are we going?
All the way over there. What's it doing?
I'm not too sure. It's not going to park in its disabled space, is it? It's just driving around the corner.
Yeah, it's just driving around the corner.
And then he looks at me funny as if I did something wrong. Wow.
He called you an effing twat.
Did he? Did he really?
He did.
Wow. Because that's my fault, that was. Because I didn't cut the corner or nothing. Oh, wow, noise, man. That is the typical mentality of people in Bristol. They go... Hang on a minute, I'm talking. They go round the corner badly and blame you for it. And then everything's your fault for being an idiot. Yeah, you're the bad driver, not them. Not because they made a mess of the road, but because you made a mess of the road. Oh, what, baby girl? Just call him special. Just say special.
Special!
Thank you, thank you. That says it all, doesn't it? Just special.
I usually finish about half 10 I usually finish.
Yeah.
It's only about 45 minutes.
I don't know where it went. There it is. Hello. I swear to God, pigeons are stupid, aren't they? They're actually stupid. Wow. 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 I said that this morning, didn't I? I said that it's like there's special people about today. There are some proper freaky little beans about. It's one of those days. It is definitely one of those fucking days. It's weird, right? Some days I'll go out doing my thing and like nothing happened for like 3 days, 4 days, and I'll be like, shit, I'm not gonna have a video this week. Nothing's happened. I'm having a lovely week. There's no one being knobheads on the road. And then on a Friday, everybody comes out and just drives towards me or does something stupid. It's like you can go like a week, everyone being proper legendary driving, and then one day everything happens. It's weird. It's weird. It's very strange. Today is one of those days where everyone's just a dickhead. Do you know, I have a confession. You know, a lot of the times I moan at everyone else for driving slow and being silly, and I feel really bad because I have to go slow. Like, I got that stupid thing on the back and I can't, it just bounces around over the speed bump, so I gotta go slow. Otherwise I'm going to lose the thing. I feel really bad. I may like sound like a dick in my videos and moan at everyone for going slow, speed up man, but I feel like a dick for going slow, and I'm apologising to everyone I'm holding up today. This is my way of saying sorry. I'm sorry. There's some freaks about today. There are some proper freaks. Alex, you shout special.
Special!
Actually, no. No. We're gonna let that one off.
A quarter special.
No, he's not special.
It's a quarter special.
No, not really.
Yeah, he's got his ass in the keep clear space.
Wait for it. Alex, you shout special.
Special!
I missed that one. Is she texting as well? Behind.
I don't know, or she's just checking out her legs.
She's checking what's between them.
Yeah, probably. Making sure it's still there.
Did she do the red light as well?
Yeah.
Wow. This is a good sandwich.
I don't know whether she's that red light at all.
Go on then, go on, because I'm going right. You've blocked my entrance, you've blocked it. Thank you. Thank you.
Special!
Who are you shouting special at? There's no one about it, baby girl. There's no one about to call special.
That car!
That car's doing nothing wrong. We don't want to shout special at him. He's being a good driver.
Special!
There's nobody being special!
Special!
What's that? You want people to buy the t-shirts?
Special!
Oh, okay.